Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here, back in another video. Today, I'm going to be opening one of the holiday mega boxes. And these are available at Walmart, as well as I've been finding them at Meijer. But 10 packs, 10 cards per pack, one relic, autograph, or auto relic in every box. You guys can pause that, check out the odds. I've already done 3 boxes of this, so if you guys haven't seen those breaks, go ahead and check those out after this. Yeah, some new stuff this year. Player worn holiday hat relics. So they have some really interesting stuff in this. Variations, short prints. They don't really call them short prints. They call them no, what do they call it? There's variation, rare short print, and super rare short print. So I believe the numbers are 063, 064, and 065 for the last 3 of the code is what you want to look for. What I've been finding is that the variations are backwards in the pack. So, but yeah, here we go. It's been a pretty fun product. I like it. I know not everyone does. Is it gimmicky? Yes, it's gimmicky, but it actually does have decent value. So, here we go. 10 packs. Pack number 1. Eric Hosmer. Biggio, rookie. Wheeler, BD rookie. Luis Castillo, that is the metallic. Allen rookie. Rosario. Diaz, Bogarts, and Sano. Gallo, Brennan rookie, Kershaw, Iglesias, Matt Chapman, Snowman in the background, 063, so that is just the standard short print. Encarnacion, Turner, Hamilton, Hayward, and Tanaka. Votto, Scope, Molina, there's Paddock rookie, Jose Peraza, Spencer Turnbull, rookie, metallic, Harper, Hamels, Contreras, and Baez. Rizzo, Low rookie, Yates, Grandal, Max Scherzer, Donaldson, Renfroe, Presley. Ooh, got a Trout. That has ornaments in the background at the top. And that's a rare 064. So that's actually a nice one. Nice Trout. And Nunez. I think those are 1 in 20. Chapman, LeMahieu, Snell, what is this? Arraez, rookie, Tyler O'Neill, Rosario, that is a metallic, Seager, Rogers, rookie, Abreu, and Sandoval. Smoke, Ohtani, Stanton, Kepler, Hammer, Kevin Biggio, and that is a 063 variation. Nice one. Muncy, Bell, Alfaro, and Pence. So another one that's got 3 variations in it. That's pretty cool. Corbin, Verdugo, Peralta, Real Muto, Tommy La Stella, Metallic, Harper, Nola, Buxton, Anderson rookie, and Solar. Castillo, Stella, Bregman, Tucker, Martinez, Pujols, Ryu, Voit, Rendon, and D. Gordon. Last 2 packs. Gustin Hero rookie, DeGrom, Arrieta, Wong, nice, Pete Alonso rookie. Oh, I saw the AL, Austin Allen metallic, but nice Pete Alonso there. Take that. Smith rookie, Barrios, Betts, and Beckham. And the last pack should have the hit. It does. Most likely just a relic. Pretty sure it's just a relic. Sanchez, Hand, Sale, Anderson rookie, Garcia, Turnbull rookie, Bauer, and it's a Royal Salvador Perez. So actually probably the best name I've pulled for the relics. But Salvador Perez relic, not numbered. But actually the best name I've actually pulled for relics from this year's. So it actually wasn't too bad of a blaster. The Sandoval relic, which is nice. Nothing really big on the metallics. Austin Allen rookie, Turnbull rookie, so nothing major there. Did hit 3 short prints. The Biggio, which was a 063, Trout, which was an 064, which is a nice one, and the Matt Chapman, which is an 063. So pretty cool, because I believe these are 1 in 7 for the 063 and 1 in 20 for the 064, so definitely beat the odds there. And Kevin Biggio rookie and a Pete Alonso rookie. So, not bad. I'd say it was a pretty solid blaster. Yeah, really liking this year's holiday stuff. I'd really like to pick up some more. I don't know if I will be able to. But yeah, there you guys go. 2019 Topps Holiday Mega Box. Hope you guys enjoyed the break. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next one.